afraid of a little rain, 'cause I got some sunshine.
Hey guys, it's Viv, and for today's video I'm here with Melody, and we just shot a really cute sorry if the lighting just changed. I'm filming this with natural light. But anyways, so we just filmed a really cute get ready with me. I showed you guys, like, not really showing you guys, but I did a little clip of me doing Melody's hair, dressing her, and getting her ready for a photo shoot that we just did. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys those clips and also the pictures that I just took, which are super cute, and I took them outside. Before we get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that later on in the week, probably on Saturday, I will put the official date up on the screen right now, but it will probably be Saturday around 7, which is the time that I usually do Etsy drops. I'm gonna be putting up some new stuff on my Etsy store, including some more Konkin knapsacks and probably like a sweatshirt and like a crop turtleneck. All the updates for what's gonna be going up on the Etsy store is gonna be on my White Whale Co. Instagram, which is linked in the description box down below, and also on my Dolly Delights Instagram, which is again linked in the description box down below. So now I'm gonna stop rambling and let's go ahead and get started with this video.
And I'll keep on floating up on the ocean. With you there's no way I'll sink.
I don't know what shoes to pick. Either the Vans or the Vans. So there's like the Authentics or the checkered skate mids. So I'm gonna ask my friend. Okay, so Melody, I went with the Vans. My friend didn't reply fast enough, so I just ignored him and I went with the Vans. Then she is wearing a pair of light wash mom jeans, a bright orange hoodie that says whale on it, and she's wearing her hair in some batty braids. And now we're gonna go outside and take some pictures before it gets dark out.
And that's okay, it's cool, we just gonna keep it moving. I got these dreams and these goals that I've been pursuing. Sometimes I think I can, but you make me feel like I can.
So anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and other American Girl doll videos like sewing tutorials, other outfit videos, hairstyle videos, and more. If you're interested in seeing what type of things I'm going to be putting up on my Etsy shop this weekend, be sure you follow my Instagram at White Whale Co. and Dolly Delights for more updates on that. Yeah, Melody and I don't think we have anything other to say. So thank you again for watching this video, and we will talk to you next time in our next video. Bye!